J-O Beats.
The crackers say they taking the U.D.I. Hell no, flashy from your camera. Hands up, hand down, nah nigga, handcuff. U.D.I, M.O.B, what a nigga stand for, that Y nigga in handcuffs.
They looking at me like I'm big as fuck. Niggas be bucking when the buckshots start busting. Crew deep like we clubbing. Yo, peace we disrupting. To the industry we coming. All for that pocket change. On the stage we going insane. Crazy in the range up in the brain. So a nigga gotta smoke, but when it comes time to letting that double juice go, I ain't tripping, straight laughing. Steal your ass for 5 and walk like nothing happened. No flaggers, no backpackers, we steady mobbing on these fuck niggas. They body steady rocking from these pro, that's bullets. We be scheming, leave your crew bleeding, on the trees dreaming. You stuck thinking, better start believing, cause we coming savage. Gotta hide the package, need to start the rap before we start attacking. Hear them guns thumping, and you start to wonder, hell yeah, we coming, nigga, fuck the front. Them toys louder than thunder, 2 hooks to leave your ass space. Coming up on me, all types of ways is how you get a race. No mercy for the weak because the savage gotta eat. Get about my seat, cause it's time for me to rest my feet. Nigga, what?
The crackers say they taking the U.D.I. Hell no, flashy from your camera. Hands up, hand down, nah nigga, handcuff. U.D.I, M.O.B, what a nigga stand for, that Y nigga in handcuffs. The crackers say they taking the U.D.I. Hell no, fuck nigga for what? Tryna run these bands up. Hands up, hand down, nah nigga, handcuff. You don't understand what a nigga go through. I'm busting the pockets while up in the tube. My trigger finger happy is heavily loose. I go through alone, baby, so you can die too. I'm busting at them, baby, I'm busting at you. I don't have a problem throwing grenades in the room. Hell wrong with you, fucking him in my room. Pass the crime, nigga. Leave his ass on the ground, nigga. Long the 9 registers in the fucking floor of mine, nigga. I'm an official nigga swell, coming up on them figures. Black and white hoe with me, 20 grand off in the building. That's why law fucking with me, 12 tripping. Worry about what I'm whipping. A hot bean, come get it. The crackers say they taking the U.D.I. Hell no, flashy from your camera. Hands up, hand down, nah nigga, handcuff. U.D.I, M.O.B, what a nigga stand for, that Y nigga in handcuffs.
They rob money over matter, those that matter never mind. See me hustle in these streets, put in work for overtime. Smoking on 305, see potential, let it shine. Breaking in the industry, we in this bitch just like a crime. It's funny that niggas wanna be funny, but I'm up in the club, and I leave with your honey. We smoking on drugs, till it's cloud in my lungs. Some shots to your chest, but no one got guns. Your girl bad as fuck, that's why she coming with us. Roll another one up, play my shit, let it bump. Disturbing the peace while I'm trying to get crunk. I blast out the studio, U.D.I, we run the show. Step up on us and we take them down like undertow. My eyes red cause I'm pissed off. Caesar told me get him, and Savage can make him get lost. You can get crossed, big body step on your legs, now you can't walk. One punch to your brain will knock your head off.
The crackers say they taking the U.D.I. Hell no, flashy from your camera. Hands up, hand down, nah nigga, handcuff. U.D.I, M.O.B, what a nigga stand for, that Y nigga in handcuffs.